Good morning everyone. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Today we'll continue with the chapter number 5, that is division, and we are doing revision work. In the last tutorial classes we have already learned how can we divide any number by a two-digit number. Now over here I need to divide 518 by 12. So you can see here 12 is a two-digit number. So how can I divide it? At first I'll write 518 divided by 12. So stepwise we'll solve it. In first step we'll just compare the number. Okay, so look into the first number, first digit, that is 5. So 5 is smaller than 12. We can't divide 5 by 12. So we'll take two digits. Now it's become 51. Now recite the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. Now I am stopping the writing table because 60 is greater than 51 and we need a number which is smaller than 51 and near to 51, because here 12, 24, 36 and 48 all numbers are smaller than 51, but we need a number which smaller than 51 and near to 51. हमें ऐसे नंबर की यहाँ पर ज़रूरत है जो कि 51 से छोटा होना चाहिए और उसके नज़दीक नियर भी होना चाहिए. So here we have a number that is 48. So 48, in which times we'll write it? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. So we'll write here 12 fours are 48. Now in next step we'll just subtract it. Okay, 8 from 1 we can't subtract, so we'll borrow 1 from this side and it will become 11. Now subtract 11. 8 from 11, 8 को 11 से subtract कीजिए, we'll get here 3. And here it is also 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Fine everyone? Now in the third step, we'll bring down the number. We have one more number here, that is 8. Okay, now bring it down. It's become 38. Now check, 38 comes in the table of 12. Here we have some numbers. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. 48 is greater than 38 and 36 is smaller than 38. So we'll write this number here. Which place? 12 threes are 3 times. Okay, 12 threes are 36. Now again we'll subtract it. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we'll stop the division because 2 is smaller than 12, so we can't divide it and it will remain here. It is remainder. So our quotient is equal to 43 and remainder is equal to 0, 2. It is 2 only. Okay, so this is dividend and this is divisor. Fine. Now we have a rule here. We'll just check the division. We have a rule here. We just check the division and we know that dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Fine. This is the short form of divisor, this is the short form of quotient, and this is the short form of remainder. So we need to write here our divisor is 12 multiply quotient is 43 plus remainder is 2. Now check 12 multiplied by 43, we will solve it here. 43, we'll write it first, multiplied by 12. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Next place, here this is the tens place. The place value of 1 is 10. 10 है place value 1 की. So this 0 is in 1's place, so we'll write it here. Now 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. It is 6, 11, 1 carry, 4 or 1, 5. So we'll write here 5, 1, 6. Now we'll add remainder. So 516 plus 2, 518. So here the dividend is also 518. It means the quotient, dividend, quotient and remainder is correct. Okay? Remember one thing, whenever we check the division, we just solve, we first multiply division and quotient. हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, उसके बाद ऐड करते हैं. That's why I have marked here, I have put both the numbers dividend, divisor and quotient in the bracket, inside the bracket. मैंने bracket में इसलिए इसे लिखा है क्योंकि पहले हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, उसके बाद हम ऐड करेंगे. पहले आप प्लस नहीं करेंगे, पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिजिट्स नंबर्स को, उसके बाद आपका जो आंसर आएगा आप उसमें ऐड करोगे. फाइन. तो आपका डिविडेंड आपके अगर डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई क्वोशंट प्लस रिमाइंडर के इक्वल आएगा, इट मीन्स योर डिवीजन इज करेक्ट. ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज 92,682 divided by 22. Fine. So first we'll write both the numbers in the division column. We need to write here 92682 divided by 22. So step first, we just compare the number. Here the first one is 9. So 9 is smaller than 22. Now we'll take 2 digits from the number. This is 92. Okay. Now recite the table of 22. Okay. We'll just solve the table of, we'll write here the table of 22 in multiplication form. We just write 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. 44 is smaller than 92. Again we'll write 22 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Again we'll write, we need a number which is smaller than 92, little bit smaller than 92. both the numbers are smaller than 92, but we just solve the table of 22 until we get the nearest and smaller number comparing to 92. So again we'll write here 22 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So it is 88. Again 22 5s are 5 2s are 10. 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. So students, now check both the numbers. 110 is greater than 92 and 88 is smaller than 92. So we'll just write here 22 4s are 88. Now step 2, we'll subtract 8 from 2. It is smaller number, so we need to borrow 1 from this side, one number from this digit. Okay, so it will give 1, it will become 12, and here it will become 8. Now 8 from 12 will get here 4, and 8 minus 8 0. So we'll bring down the next digit. This is 46. Now हमने 6 नीचे लिया, it will become 46 now. Okay, so now read the table of 22. Just check it here. 44, 46, 66 and 88. So we'll just write 44 because 44 is smaller than 46 and near to 46. So it is 2 times. 22 2s are 44. Now again subtract. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. So bring down the next number, next digit. This is 8. So it will become now 28. Now the smallest number which comes in the table of 22 is number itself. So we'll just write 22 ones are 22, because 22 twos are 44, which is greater than 28. So we'll write here 22 ones are 22. Now subtract it. 8 minus 2 will get here 6, and 2 minus 2 0. Now next digit, the last one, we'll bring it down. This is 2. It will become 62. Now check here which is smaller than 62 and near to 62. जो 62 से छोटा भी है और ज़्यादा पास भी है. Look at here, 66 is greater than 62 and 44 is smaller than 62. So we'll write here, it is in 2 times. 22 twos are 44. Again we'll subtract it. Here 4 is greater than 12. So 2 will borrow from this side. It will become 12, and here it is 5 now. So subtract 4 from 12, we'll get here 8. And 4 from 5, we'll get here 1. Now it is 18. Fine everyone? Now we have 18 here. 18 is smaller than 22, so we can't divide it. It will remain here. It means it is remainder, it is quotient, and this is dividend and divisor. Now check the division. We'll check it. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Fine, everyone? So we'll put it in the bracket, inside the bracket, because we'll solve it first. हम इसे ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखेंगे क्योंकि हम पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, देन वील सॉल्व द एडिशन. So the divisor is 22 multiplied by quotient is 4212 and remainder is 18. Now we'll solve it here. 4 2 1 2 multiplied by 22. So 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. In the next line, check the next digit. It is in tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20. So the unit place is 0. We'll just write down the 0 here. Again, just recite the table of 2 because we have already done it. हमने ये 2 से पहले ही कर लिया, तो सेम नंबर वी गेट, सेम नंबर हमें यहाँ पर भी मिलेगा. सो 4 2 4 8. नाउ add both the numbers. 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 8 and 1 9. So we'll get here 9 2 6 6 4 plus 18. Now we'll add both the numbers. 92,664 plus 18. 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, 6 as it is, 2 as it is and 9 as it is. We'll write because we have only 2 number here ना, तो हमने वो add कर लिए हैं 64 में. Fine everyone. Now check. 92,682. Dividend is 92,682. So the dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means our quotient and remainder is correct and the division is also correct. Okay? Now students, take out your book and page number 72. You have to solve the chapter test in your book. Okay? Just check your skills. आपको कितना आ गया इस चैप्टर के बारे में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 you will solve in your book. आप अपनी बुक में सॉल्व करेंगे एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5 and 6 आप अपनी नोटबुक में सॉल्व करेंगे. फाइन? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? 1, 2, 3 आपको अपनी बुक में ही सॉल्व करना है बिकॉज स्पेस इज गिवन हियर एंड 4, 5 and 6 आपको अपनी नोटबुक में सॉल्व करना है. एंड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, ऑल क्वेश्चंस विल सॉल्व इन योर बुक. आप ये अपनी बुक में ही सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके? सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 little bit tricky. I'm explaining this one and rest of the question you will solve in your own. Fine. So here, in which number sentence is n is equal to 6? आपको बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा नंबर मीन्स कौन सा विच नंबर सेंटेंस आपका n is equal to 6 होगा. सो लुक एट हियर. इफ़ यू विल पुट द 6 इंस्टीड ऑफ n, अगर आप यहाँ पर n की जगह पर 6 लिखोगे बिकॉज n इज़ इक्वल टू 6, n की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 6 है, तो आप अपना आंसर चेक कीजिए. 6 की टेबल में 30 कौन से नंबर पे आता है. आप जहाँ जहाँ पर भी n है वहाँ पर 6 लिखिए. उसके बाद अपना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए, आपको इजीली अपना आंसर मिल जाएगा. फाइन. सो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस यू विल सॉल्व इन योर बुक and these 3 questions 1, 2 and 3 also you will solve in your book because the space is given here. Fine. And click the picture of this page number 72, and upload on होमवर्क ट्यूटोरियल पोर्टल, स्टूडेंट ट्यूटोरियल पोर्टल पर. फाइन. जिसमें आप अपनी वर्कशीट अपलोड करते हैं उसी के साथ आप अपनी पेज की पिक्चर भी अपलोड करेंगे. फाइन एवरीवन. See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.